everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. And this is kind of the story of my youngest grandson, so M4 and M2. I had them for the weekend while their parents went away. And I always feel like when I've got the kids, like all I do is cook. I try to have fun with them, and it's easier when I have just one or two of them than when I have all four of them at one time. But we cook a lot, and M4 is very fussy right now. So he was a bit of a challenge, and I took these photos just because we were having some fun. There, we did do some other things. You see a couple of other photos that the kids will sort of remember things that we did, but I did feed them some chocolate chip cookies. So they had cookies all over their mouths. And I thought that was kind of funny because in general, they eat really well and pretty healthy when they're with me. But once in a while, we do some treats. M2 loves to make pizzas with me. So we did that. I actually fed them two different things because M4 wouldn't eat pizza at that point in time. But M2 loves to do them. So we... I helped, like, I handed him the stuff basically, and he makes them. So anyway, so the blue paper there is Echo Park Endless Summer, the 3x4 journaling card paper. And then that red paper is from Echo Park Endless Summer, the Sunny Stems paper. So then I have that Good Eats sticker, and then that Kitchen is Open sticker. Both of those came from the Photoplay What's Cooking Elements stickers. And then I'm playing around a little bit with how this is going to look. I have that 3x4 card, which came from Ellie's Studio. It's old, but I really like the way that is, and favorites. So you're going to kind of see, because originally I think I'm going to do that Good Eats title and use that as my title up on the top left. We're going to change that, not to spoil the surprise, but... All right. And I do like when I have a lot of photos, how easily these layouts come together. Like this layout, I did 3 layouts on this particular day. And this layout took me less time than the layout that you just saw on Saturday and the layout you're going to see next Saturday by like half the time. But part of it is I have so many photos that they take up a lot of space in the page, and you don't have to think as much about how to scrapbook them. And I will tell you, this is the second layout I did. My mojo's coming back, but I spent a lot of time scrapbooking in the month of December, but it was all Christmas scrapbooking, trying to get that Kitchen is Open sticker on there. And I finally settle on here, and I like the idea of using that. I just don't want those 2 stickers on the same side. And then I decided if I put it on the top right, it's too distracting. So I put it right over the photo above favorites. So it's like Good Eats favorites because they are favorites. Now, I'm using some stickers here, those pancakes, and then that pizza. That is from a sticker book called Kawaii Food, which is old. And I'm thinking about that pancake cluster, but it had purple in it, and I have no purple on here anywhere. And I didn't want to add it, so I decided not to use it. Then I have this little cookie here from Doodlebug Made with Love, the This and That, which is the stickers. You see that other piece of pizza over by the Kitchen is Open, by the way. And then I have that little cookie sticker from that same Doodlebug collection as well, just because, you know, the cookies are figuring pretty heavily in these photos. And then the pancake stickers, because M4 is eating pancakes for breakfast on that left, that photo on the right. Now here I added a sticker that says Eat Your Veggies from the What's Cooking collection, the What's Cooking stickers. That's kind of a funny thing because obviously there's not any veggies in this, and I do try to get them to do that, but I'm grandma and sometimes those rules just get thrown out just when the boys are with me, or when the kids are with me. Adding in this Good Cooking sticker again from that What's Cooking, the Photoplay What's Cooking collection, and you know, kind of tongue-in-cheek again. And when I journal about this, I'm going to talk about having lots of fun and just feeling like I spend a lot of time in the kitchen, but trying some new things and getting some old favorites in there as well. So I'm really liking the way that looks. When I move that veggie sticker up to the top there. And I like that I'm getting some green in there because there's green in that Good Eats title, or that Good Eats sticker. I put the cookie sticker down by that pizza. And now I'm thinking, I found this puffy sticker that says trying something new, and that's from Ellie Studio, the Everyday Label puffy stickers from 2022. And I decided I wanted to put that up there because it was trying to get M4 to try some new things. M2's getting better about that. Those two are so much alike in some ways, it's kind of crazy. I guess maybe that makes it easier. Oftentimes when my stepson and daughter-in-law go away, we divide the kids in half. Well, we don't divide the actual children in half, but one of the grandparents takes 2 and another grandparent takes another 2. It just makes it a little bit easier. So, because that 4 kids is a lot. I have them a couple of times a year, all 4 of them for an overnight. And with just me, that's a lot. So I'm adding in a blue heart, puffy navy heart here. That's from Ellie Studio Autumn Hearts and Stars puffy stickers from 2022. I love those Ellie Studio puffies. And then I'm looking for some green. I want to get some green in the other 2 clusters, just because that one on the left side at the bottom doesn't have any green in it at all. And the only green in the one on the right side by the journaling card is just in the Good Eats piece. So we got that green in, and that is from Ellie Studio Puffy Heart stickers from 2020. Like I said, I love those Ellie Studio Puffy Hearts. I'm kind of playing around with changing that heart, and it still is from that same Puffy Heart stickers, or Autumn Heart stickers, just a bigger size. All right, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.